Emergency alert systems for mobile devices are tested across Canada. Microsoft creates an AI for accessibility fund. And one smart device that's packing up its bags for the graveyard of good ideas. It's all the tech news that's popular right now. Welcome to Hashtag Trending. It's Tuesday, May 8th. I'm your host, Brian Jackson. Trending on Twitter. That sound was blaring from cell phones all across Canada yesterday, except for in Quebec. It was a test of a national public alert system mandated by the Canadian Radio, Television and Telecommunications Commission. Quebec's test run didn't work because of a single space incorrectly placed into the code. Good thing they're just testing this thing, right? The nationwide system is operated by Pelmorex, owner of the Weather Network. It will alert Canadians in a geographic region that's threatened by dangerous weather events, terrorist threats, or in the case of an Amber Alert for a kidnapped child. Trending on Google, Microsoft is funding a $25 million program that will use artificial intelligence to create technology to help people with disabilities. The program is called AI for Accessibility. Microsoft announced it at its Build conference in Seattle. The funding will be used over 5 years and award grants to startups, nonprofits, and academics to develop AI tools that could create more opportunities for the disabled. Microsoft may also assign their own researchers to help work on compelling projects of this sort. Trending on Reddit, a smart luggage maker is going out of business because of new rules introduced by airlines. New York-based Blue Smart made suitcases that were powered with lithium batteries. This allowed them to be tracked using a GPS tag, to automatically lock, and to report their own weight. Since the 5 largest airlines in the US have all banned checked luggage with built-in batteries, this is one smart business plan that may never reach its final destination. Blue Smart is selling all of its designs and technology to another luggage company, TravelPro. That's what's trending today. Hashtag Trending is produced by the ITWC Podcast Network. If you enjoy Hashtag Trending, please be sure to give us a rating and a review on Amazon, Apple Podcasts, Google Play, or wherever else you get your podcasts from. And if you're looking for more of our content, check out the rest of the ITWC Podcast Network, home to our other podcasts, Tech and Sports and Cybersecurity Today. Thanks for listening. I'm Brian Jackson.